In this video, I'm going to be talking about email marketing strategy, and I'm going to be outlining some tips and some tricks and using email marketing with Clickbank as an example, and teaching you how to grow an email list. And if you stay till the very end, I'm going to be showing you a email lead source where you can buy leads for as low as 28 cents each. So first of all, what is email marketing in this digital day and age? What is email marketing? Well, it's basically using email as a way of promoting your products and services. So how do we do that? So I've got, in this diagram, I've got a very simple way of how you would start building your email list and the whole strategy behind email marketing. The thing about email marketing is that once you have built a list, that is your asset, and you can continue to sell and promote services over and over again. I think often with affiliate marketing, we're told to promote our affiliate links, but if we purely just promoted our affiliate links, we're not actually going to be building an email list in the process. And the aim really should be trying to grow an email list so that at the end of the day, you've got an asset of your own and a form of traffic of your own that you can control. So this is the strategy. There's two forms of traffic that you can use to build your email list. You can have free traffic, such as a Facebook group or a YouTube video or Pinterest or some other free organic source of traffic. Google would be another one, and SEO would be another one. Or you've got paid ads, such as Google AdWords, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, or you've got Pinterest ads too. So what would happen is if you placed the link for a landing page like that I've symbolized here, a landing page on a Facebook group or underneath a YouTube video, or you place some ads on Google or YouTube with a link to this landing page with a headline, and then a place where people could submit their email address. Every email address that's submitted would go to building your email list. And then once people are on your email list, then you can send regular emails. It could be once a week, it could be twice a week, it could be daily emails to that person or to your list, in order to, first of all, give them good, valuable information, but then second of all, in order to promote products and services as an affiliate, or it could be your own products and services. So that's the overall strategy. And here are some email tips and tricks. So these are some general tips and tricks for emails. Do email regularly, because the more you email, the more you're going to get in front of your potential customers and your clients, and they're going to remember who you are, and you're going to be at the forefront of their mind, and therefore they're more likely to buy from you. Second of all, there's factors that are going to affect the results that you get from email marketing. The first has to do with software and external factors outside the email. So for example, the software that you use, the autoresponder that you use, and I'm going to be giving you an example of a free software that you can use, not only to build your send your emails, but also to build your landing pages. So the software that you use, the autoresponder that you're going to use, and there's many of them out there. GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, these are all examples of software that you can use. The email address that the emails are sent from, the time of day, and also the domain names. If you have domain names that have been blacklisted, then they are less likely to get into the person's inbox, into your customers and your clients' inboxes. So these are all factors that you have to be aware of. Now, there are also factors to do with email, such as the headline or the subject line, the first line of the email, the body of the email, or the postscript. So the headline is going to affect your open rates. So headlines that sort of give some benefit and have an element of curiosity, they're going to increase your open rates. Now, the other very important factor in the email is the postscript or the PS. If you put PS that's promoting a particular product or a service, then it's been proven that people are more likely to click on that link. So the headline is going to affect open rates. So you're going to want open rates of at least 10, 20, 30, 40%, above 40% if possible. Then your click-through rates, so links that are in the email, the click-through rates are also very important. So if you were to get click-through rates around 4 to 6%, that would be considered good. And the earnings per click, or EPC. So if you look at certain affiliate products, often the vendors will talk about the earnings per click, and anything about, and it varies, like different people will tell you different things, but an EPC of greater than $1 would be considered a good EPC to aim for. So, as I promised, I told you that I would show you a free autoresponder that you can start off with as a beginner and beginner affiliate, and MailChimp. MailChimp is a decent autoresponder. As you can see, there's a free plan, and with the free plan you can have up to 2,000 emails on the list, on your list. So I'm going to show you just quickly how you would come up with a landing page in MailChimp. So if this is a test account that I have, and if you go to campaigns and you go to landing pages, and then you click on landing page, and let's give it a name. Let's put test. I'm going to choose a template. This is a good template because, as you can see, the email capture is above the fold, so I like this one. So that's more, so if you've got an email capture form that's higher up in the page, it's more likely that people are going to opt in. So that's why I like this one. And so you can basically, if we were to click on that, save that, your landing page is done. So really, within a couple of minutes, you can have a landing page done. So MailChimp would recommend it if you're starting out and you want something that's free. And if you want to, as I said to you before, using Clickbank as an example to find email templates, because often as an affiliate marketer, you want something that's proven, that's already been shown to work. So here's an example of an affiliate page that's showing email templates. You can see here that these are email swipes. You can copy and paste these, modify them, and yeah, that's a very fast way of coming up with emails, proven emails that are going to convert. So there's the subject lines and the PSs all in there. So, as I said to you at the start of the video, I was going to show you a way of building your list, but also finding a very cheap traffic source. So, as I've outlined, some tips as we talked about: send to a landing page, use either paid or free traffic. With regards to paid traffic, there's a number of ways in which you can pay for your traffic that's going to opt into your list. So you can have what we call CPM, or cost per 1,000 impressions, which you'll often find in certain traffic sources, but magazines and other publications often charge via a CPM, or cost per 1,000 impressions. So you can either pay per 1,000 impressions. You can also pay per click. So if you go to certain solo ad vendors, or solo ad sites such as Udemy, they will charge per click. Or a very cheap source of leads is what I've found is a site called Optintelligence. If you just go and Google Optintelligence, you can pay for leads as low as 28 cents per lead. So go and check that out. I've used it. The leads are very cheap. So there you have it. There's a video outlining email strategy and tips and how to build a list and how to find proven email marketing swipes on Clickbank. Would love to hear what you think about this video. Make sure that you smash the like button, the subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.